Hello guys, this is Ishita, the legal intern at LexClick. Today I'm gonna brief you out about the Alternative Dispute Resolution or ADR, which refers to ways of addressing and settling disputes outside the courts and its traditional advisable atmosphere. It solves any type of dispute, including but not limited to family law disputes, neighbor disputes, workplace disputes, business disputes, housing disputes, personal injury disputes, consumer contract disputes, and environmental disputes. Why to choose ADR? So, there are pros and cons for this. I'm gonna first tell you about the pros, then I'll go to the consequences. Save a lot of time and money. ADR saves you a lot of money and time. Put the parties in control. Focuses on the issue, flexible and creative. Preserve relationship. Product good news and reduce stress. Keep private disputes private, more flexible remedies than court, satisfying more people can access to justice, and it produces good results as always. Now there are consequences. Cons, I'm gonna tell you about it. Power differences, urgency, reluctant opponent, no precedent, no ruling on legal rights, can take a long time, lower amount, binding decisions, and quality control. So you can there are overview of alternative dispute redressal. And then like negotiation and all. Then there are types of ADR: arbitration, first, second mediation, third mid-app, fourth mini trial, fifth conciliation. So, arbitration is a third neutral party renders a decision after hearing at which both the parties have an opportunity to be heard. Mediation: a third neutral party mediator intervenes to bring opposing parties to an agreement. Mid up: the arbiter starts as a mediator, but when the mediation fails, the arbiter will impose a binding decision. It is a mixture of mediation and arbitration that pulls from the benefits of the two. Mini trial: the representatives attempt to settle the issue. If they cannot, an impartial advisor can act as a mediator or declare a non binding opinion regarding the likely outcome of the issue going to trial. Conciliation: a process in which a neutral person meets with the parties to solve disputes, a relatively unstructured method of dispute resolution in which a third party facilitates communication between the parties in an attempt to help them settle their differences. Then there is negotiation, a process where both the parties communicate to each a mutually acceptable agreement without the third party. Lok Adalat. Lok Adalat is one of the alternative dispute redressal mechanism. It is a forum where disputes cases pending in the court of law or at a pre-litigation stage are settled and comprised. Now the eighth one is ombudsman, a third party selected by an institution to deal with complaints by employees, clients, or constituents. Now I'm gonna tell you about the legislation of ADR in India. C of COCP 1859. COPC COCP 1859. In section 3112 to 325 dealt with arbitration and suits, while section 326 and 327 provided for arbitration without court intervention, and the COCP 1908 has laid down that cases must be encouraged to go in ADR under section 89. 1. Indian Arbitration Act 1899, based on the British Arbitration Act of 1889, expanded the area of arbitration. Arbitration Protocol and Convention Act 1937 In India implemented the Geneva Protocol on Arbitration Clause 1923 and the Geneva Convention on the Execution of Foreign Arbitral Awards 1927. Arbitration Act of 1940 deal with the only domestic arbitration. Arbitration and Conciliation Act 1996, the model law has been opted by this act. Now there is a Q&A about what people generally ask. Why do I need an attorney for assistance with ADR? It is not compulsory to have attorney. You are free to deal yourself, but their ability to help you decide which form of ADR is right for your case. They can provide representation during the ADR proceedings, but they can also provide consultations and strategy meeting beforehand. What is the cost of ADR? This is the most general question. The cost of different ADR options varies from free to extremely expensive. Three important points to consider here is ADR schemes are not alternative to advice. When deciding whether or not to try ADR, think about your bargaining positions and think about what kind of processes would suit you best. Now I'm gonna conclude with the advent of the arbitrary dispute resolution. There is new avenue for the people to settle their disputes, reduce the pendency in law courts, providing instant justice at the doorstep. If they are successfully given effect, then it will really achieve the goal of rendering social justice to the parties to the dispute. Thank you. I hope you liked this video. I realized that the true fiction of a lawyer was to unite parties. A large part of my time during the 20 years of my practice as a lawyer was occupied in bringing out a private compromise of the hundreds of cases. I lost nothing thereby, not even money, certainly not my soul. These were lines by Mahatma Gandhi. I hope you guys like my video. Please do like the like button, share, comment and subscribe the channel. Thank you.